Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add more fingerprint on your Xiaomi phone. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Did you know that you can add more fingerprints to unlock your phone? This allows you to use your other hand when required or even let other people you trust to unlock your phone. This is because most phones support and can recognize at least up to 5 fingerprints. And here's in this video, I will show you how to do it, how to add more fingerprints on your phone. So first of all, you can open your settings on your phone. Here's I'm using Xiaomi phone. Now you can scroll down. You can choose on fingerprint, face data, and screen lock. You can tap on that. You can tap on finger unlock. You can enter your pattern. Here's I have 2 fingerprint on my phone and I want to add more fingerprint. You can tap on add fingerprint. You can draw with pattern first, your pattern first. You can tap on got it. Now you can scan your new fingerprint that you want to add. You can press the screen and leave your finger after you feel vibration. You can repeat it several times. Here's I am scanning my fingerprint. Now it's done. You can tap on add if you want to add face data, but if you don't want, you can just go back. Let's check again. Now I have 3 fingerprint on my phone. It's so simple, right? So that is how to add more fingerprint on your Xiaomi phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!